left the group way back at about 150. You can hear the tones change.
Texas bullwhip out of Cat Spring, Texas. Don Nelson in the driver's seat. And a good job of driving right there. That first bounce could have caused problems. Aircraft ignition, which puts 2 spark plugs in each cylinder. Here we go. Waukee, Wisconsin, home of the B-38 of Richard Ziegler. You can see the torque that was developed on all 3 of those power plants puts that twist to that frame almost 80% before they'll run. Here he comes.
Distance for Dave Richardson today, 200.
Twin Allison aircraft engines. A little bit of hesitation. You can hear them.
Did you hear the power and feel the noise?
I most certainly did right there. Yet to run. First ball just one. I told you we'd do it with Slong, and he's the one that can do it. Bruce Slong. Joe this morning, he said this track, the best he's ever run.
I'm still feeling it.
Well, he started to drift right, started also hands up to something. Jeremy Schindler, the Country Thunder. Allison aircraft, but a different sound. A little different sound out of that. He wants tickets are on sale right now. Things hanging off the right rear corner, right rear engine of Flake's Bad Habit. 300 plus run to even be considered for contention this afternoon. He gets the job done. Yeah, I know what I need to do. Stand aside. Down the track, the Budweiser comes down on the hill and he's set ready to go. The green flags are out. Plenty of wheel speed, just didn't momentum I don't think he'd like to have had right. Then we can push him a little harder. At this point right now, Don Anderson. On the chain, green flags are out. And about as fine as it's been done all afternoon. Last of the modifieds to run this afternoon.